Okay, YouTubers, today I'm working on this 2005 Mustang, Ford Mustang 4.0 liter that has no start. Customer complained that car that just did transmission 2 months ago, and the car ran fine for about a month, and after that it wouldn't start anymore, and they took it to another shop and they said it needed an engine, so they just wanted to confirm that the engine is bad. And first thing I did was scan check engine light, and it had the EGR code, so that definitely wouldn't stop the car from starting. So I pulled the plug out on the left side of the engine, checked compression, make sure it had spark, and everything was fine on that side. Went to the other side of the engine, did a compression check, and checked the spark plugs. Spark plugs they're not too bad in condition on this side. The other side was pretty bad, and one of the plugs in the middle looked like it was a little bent on the tip. So I was thinking maybe the only thing that can do that is if they jump timing and hit the spark plug, which I wanted to confirm by checking the other side. And I checked the compression. They have no compression on the other side, just zero. The engine is making a kind of a knocking noise, like it doesn't even try to start. Let me just crank it up for you guys. You can hear the noise. And my compression tester is still connected, so it has 0 and telling me timing is off. Something is broken inside the engine is causing the timer not to spin, and it sounds like a flapping noise, so most likely something is broken in the timing area. Don't know what it is yet until you open it, but most likely it does need an engine. So yeah, people, give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.